Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Bafethu ngibona ukuntshala but the day I was good having sex cabanga. Kodwa bayitshela ukuthi ngumngani. Alright, so istory sithi benginomngani. Umngani who turned out to be my partner. Angazi kwenzakala kanjani ngangibuzi futhi. Okay, the story goes like this. There was this day umngani / my partner kwakunebhrayi kubo. Nginebhrayi kubo shuthe angifonele as like awu busy ngani. Ngithi mina ngenza ilutho kule weekend. Ngihlezi mina ngenza ilutho nje ngumuntu oyidlalela endlini phela vele. Like angisendlini uyazi nje nawe. Athi awulalela awushayise phela la Glenwood. Ngishayisa athena ya ngithi mina okay sithini. Athena no why khonto encane yenzala yabo nje just for ama two vibes and vele umha wants to meet you. Wants to meet me. I'm like, oh okay, iflop ayikho yabo. Ngangempela ke kube kanjalo ke ngipakishe umngani ang requestela ngifike kume ngifika oh my god uma wakhe she's the sweetest person you could ever talk to yezwa I gave her right ang welcome my boy, hello my darling, how are you, hello my sweetheart. I'm like, oh only if you knew. I'm like hey. I like nah man ngiyaphila unjani athi ngiyaphila yozwa muhle nani la ngiyabonga ayihlale phansi atshele ubabe / umnganami athini athi awu letha ama snacks phela ama starter so that uNosipho ezoba right. Hayi ke mina senglalela sengibhale ngisho for lapha yani indlela engisandwa ngayo. Hayi ngibhalela for ngihlale kuleso ama snacks ke uma abuye azohlala nami. Hayi ke uma wants to get to know uNosipho ukuthi ubani uNosipho because like ubelibelezwa ngami kodwa engakaza ngibone yabo. So she's like, no, finally I get to meet you, I get to see you, how you doing, like you know izinto ezikanjalo. We start talking kube mnandi ke until ubabe ahambe eminyango kayo wenza inyama braai. So ngithi hey mom, ngiyacabanga usisihlalile and I'm so happy to finally get to meet you because vele umnganami yabo unako ukukhuluma nawe kakhulu futhi and then sometimes you'd call kanti vele ngihleli naye yabo nixoxeke what so not. Alright, ngicela ukuthi ngiphume ke ngiyomjoyina njengoba busy eminyango enza ilo khunjana inyama just to chill with yena. Athi yena no inkinga ayikho sisi, feel free, feel at home. I think into angishaya ileli gama la feel at home. Mekuthiwa feel at home phela mfethu kusuke kuthiwa yenza into yenza kini. Yes? Awuda phela ngiyenzile ekhaya. Alright, sure. Ngihambe ngifikayo baby usemnyango ubhizi uyabraya si relax we just chilling and talking, hanging out yabo. Hayi afike ke uma athi nisa right sithi no we good. Athi nayo okay hayi bengitha nginiqalaze nje nginicheck yabo ilabo mama laba abanjalo abaphila isilungu sokuthi hayi phela funa uba check ukuthi ba right. Uyambona lo mzali othi ngishebona ukuthi hayi ngathi akubona abangani lapha kodwa still act as if hayi yazini vele bayazwana labantu, they are just friends. Akesi ikhanda lami elitshela leyo nto leyo ngoba ngikutshela ukuthi like I vibe yami no baby we can't hide it, we just can't hide it. Alright, sure. Kube ileso ke ayenza inyama eqeda ubaby acela uma athi eNosipho bengicela abantu ukuthi ungisize la ekishini ngamasaladi nepapa nani. Hayi anginenkinga phela nje ngithi mina ngizama ukuthi ngizakhela ibondi nolokhunjanana no mother in law wami ngoba mina ngiyazi ukuthi mother in law yena akazi kodwa ukuthi mina ngumakoti. Okay, sure. Hambe ngekishini sipheke noma senze amasaladi ubaby while esangaphandle, we get busy and all that. Hayi sidla kudliwe kube mnandi because labana they're small family. I'm not gonna lie to you, they're small family but bane vibe yabantu abawu-30 endlini. The music is there, everything nje bese kumnandi. Hayi ke iqaleke indaba emiqala indaba kubuze kuthiwa manje noSipho uyaphuza. Hey manje ngithi ngibheke phansi kanje I'm like yeah ngiyaphuza. Athi hayi khuleka mntanami ungalibele nje uba nestress ukuthi hayibo fanele ufihle what so not uyaphuza. Mina yebo ngiyaphuza. Athi uphuzana. Hayi ngisho ukuthi ngiphuzana. Hayi alright vele kustokiwe la kahle kahle phela vele umngani uyazi ukuthi umuntu wakhe uphuzani. So uyena umuntu obeyothenga utshwala, so njengoba ehamba yothenga utshwala yonke into ayithengile wenze sure ukuthi uyangifakela nami into engiyiphuzayo, cause uyazi ukuthi ngeza, mina obengazi ukuthi ngeza, cause ubeyazi ukuthi vele ngizovuma. Okay, hayi kube njalo. Uyaqala ke inkinga umuntu esedakiwe. Hey siphuze uma wakhona ke Shembandla uphuza nje into light yabo, hayi nothing serious. Once waphuza 2 usuke ese right. Hayi ke siqhubeke thina sikungenele no baby. Nana ukuthi nje sindawonye ngihappy nami phela ukuthi I finally get to meet your mother, I finally get to meet your siblings. Uyabo nje kumnandi. Yazini othi ngayispoil le ndaba. Ngiyabuya no part 2. Hey kodwa kwaba mnandi kwaphethe egcineni. Ay nangempela ke kube mnandi ke sihlale ke noma ngingazi nengane zakubo. Kube ukuthi ke manje sekumele phela kuphunye iyohlala eminyango. Angithi sekuyikhathalate vele zokuthi hayi bu hey asambeni so dance, hayi sambeni kuyohlala eminyango ke egarage. Kuyagroova la kuyaphuzwa kumnandi. Hayi uqale kunyamalale ubani ubaby. Athi hayi ngiyabuya ngisala etoilet. Ngithi mina hayi okay inkinga ayikho. Hayi ngithi mina ngihleli phela nengane zakubo nomama. Ahamba endlini. Mayifika endlini uyangitexta uthi angazi na uthi uzophuma kanjani la ukhona kodwa I need you here with me. And I'm like, what? Didn't you say you're going to the toilet and what? So that was the plan yokuthi phela ngiphume yabo ingajampisi ukuthi ngifuna wena. Okay? Hayi nami ngithi ukujayisa ama minutes amancane nje ambali. Bese ngiyasuka ngithi mina hawu sibani mana asabu yini othi ngiyombheka. Hayi kuthiwa hayi ingane kwafuthi kuthiwa hayi alright inkinga yikho. Hayi ngingena endlini. Mengingena endlini yaqala indaba. Yazi yaqala ukhisi nje omncane. One thing led to another. Sayibona sekunempahla eyisuka la ebekade simkhona ziyaphi ziye ekamereni. Hayi sisi-ready ukuthi vele ziyasha. Hayi as aze ngafuna ukukhuluma indaba eziningi kodwa ke as shit was going deeper, and then ekamereni sasingavalile umnyango yabo, kanti uma wakhe uyeza uzosibheka thina asazi ukuthi she's coming to check up on us. Hayibo amemeze sho samemeze kunomsindo okudlala i-radio, so ngeke uzumuzwe vele. Sabona ngomuntu kalakatha phakathi. Yes, wamane wama nje wasibuza wathi no hawe ma wajika waphuma. Engabe phuma sabukana nomngani sengeve seyijampile ke manje into esiyithini le yabo. So sagqoka ke we tried to act cool and stuff. Now siphume ke, and then masiphuma ke we had to go back to like hleli khona phela. Hayi mesiyahlale angasayikhuluma uma indaba yabo kubathi nje azabone lutho. Hayi kudansa kuthe la khona ngithi phela ingoba bekukhona izingane, so kuthe la khona sewukhanjiwe kwayolalwa ke. Hayi kwayila khona ke uyikhane eqala eshada nathi wasingempela kwenzakalani phakathi kwenu bawuthunga. Like hayibo akwenzeki lutho indaba, we just friends. Wathi awu manje le nto ade ngiqeda kuyibona mina shuthi isilimi mina. Yebo kwabancane umgodi ocasha, because uyazi ufeel embarrassed and shy at the same time ukuthi awe manga ngiyaqala ngisho ukufika la kodwa sengenza izinto ezikanje shuthi ngempela lo mama uzongibuka kanjani uzongithatha kanjani. Hayi kuthe kusuka lapho sithule sixolise kuhanje kuyolala ekseni le imini indlela esengayo manje ngithi baby yazi ngineplan. Athi baby yakwenzakalani bese ngithi mina ngoba uma yambo ukuthi nje I think the only way engakwazi ukuthi abe right ngayo asimkhipheni asambe sesawuze senzani mina asambe nizobona ngitshela uma simgoqo sasamsesawuze ikhonto esifuna ukuyithenga so singena ukuthi sihambe sodwa sihambeni naye nangempela kugezwe kungeniwe emotweni kuhanjwe. Mesifike eSouthway samshiya kwesinye isitolo. Yeah, thina sangena ngaphakathi. We bought her flowers. We bought her ilokhunjana izinto zokugeza, samthengela chocolates, you know, all the good stuff. Yes. sisuke Checkers siyabuya ngalesikhathi yena ulinde thina ukuthi hayi siyabuya soyithengela whatever bese sasithe soyithenga again eCheckers kanti umcimbi ungayi safika nje sesithi surprise. Yo, bro, I still even have those pictures, those moments were the best moments. I don't wanna lie. Kodwa futhi at the same time I indlela engafika ngayo emzini yabantu, indlela engayi-introduce ngayo emzini yabantu ngiyayisaba mina.
Now I understand why people are always against this male bestie, and obviously a long time ago it didn't make sense, but at this point I do understand. This lady right here, she's talking about her experience on how she was caught by the mother of her male bestie while they were busy and stuff like that. She said that she went to visit the friend. In fact, the friend is the one that called her to say, what are you doing? What are you busy with? Please come, let's chill. And, and she went there. They met the mother, and the mother was very friendly, very welcoming. And then later on, the guy stood up and then he went somewhere nearby. And then he called the lady to say, come this side. That's the reason why I left there. I want to be with you. And then the lady went. She left by saying, okay, let me just go and look for him. And then that was it. When she got there, she said it started with a kiss and then one thing led to another. And the mother came looking for them. I don't know if I can say fortunately or unfortunately. This is just an unfortunate part. They were caught busy doing cloth with the male bestie, and the mother could not believe because obviously she knew that this was the friend. And at this point, I am shocked. I don't even want to lie. But I feel like most of this relationship, male bestie, and such things do happen. Like, we might try to avoid it. We might try to not talk about it. But trust me when I say there's such things do happen, whereby, especially with men, he might not be saying it, but that's how he feels. Because when a man is next to a woman, when a man is used to this woman, obviously he will have some sort of feelings. Even a woman as well. If this guy, he's caring, like he's always there for me, somehow you will develop feelings for this man. So this thing of male bestie, for me, nah. For me, it really doesn't work out. Like, it will never work out for me. It's just my own opinion, and feel free to comment down below maybe your experience or what you have seen and stuff like that with this male-based thing. What do you know about this, and what's your take on this one?